Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, AI Agent Book, a complete open source book dedicated to mastering AI agents. This project offers a structured path from design principles to engineering practice, providing the full text and all the accompanying code. It's an essential resource for any developer looking to understand and build the next generation of autonomous AI systems. How do you master a field as complex and fast-moving as AI agents? Most learning happens through scattered articles and code snippets. But one project has emerged as a complete, open-source textbook. It is not just for reading. It is designed to be run, with over 100 integrated experiments. The project is AI Agent Book, created by developer bojieli. It's an open-source book called In-Depth Understanding of AI Agents, Design Principles and Engineering Practices, offering a systematic path from theory all the way to production. Its popularity is undeniable. The repository has racked up nearly 40,000 stars, with hundreds more added daily. The project has also been forked over 4,300 times, signaling just how much developers are craving a hands-on approach to this complex topic. The rapid rise of AI agents created a huge knowledge vacuum. Developers eager to build them were faced with a fragmented landscape of blog posts, academic papers, and API documentation. There just wasn't a single cohesive resource that bridged deep theory with hands-on engineering practice. Most existing tutorials stopped at simple examples, failing to address production-level challenges like evaluation, scalability, and continuous improvement. AI Agent Book directly tackles this by offering a structured, comprehensive, and entirely open-source curriculum that moves far beyond Hello World to solve real-world engineering problems. The project's philosophy boils down to a simple but powerful formula. An agent equals an LLM plus context plus tools. The large language model is the brain. The context is its memory and awareness, and the tools are its hands to interact with the world. The repository itself is a masterfully organized monorepo. Think of it as a complete workshop in a box. The book's text, written in Markdown, serves as the instruction manual. The code, with over 100 Python experiments, are the pre-packaged project kits. What is truly exceptional is the relentless focus on reproducibility. It uses the UV package manager with locked dependency files and even provides scripts to clone external projects at specific, fixed versions. This ensures that every experiment works exactly as intended, a critical detail often overlooked in educational projects. It moves learning from a guessing game to a precise, repeatable science. So, who is this for? This project serves a wide range of technical professionals. AI developers use it for systematic learning, moving from basic API calls to building robust agent systems. Researchers find it a valuable reference for both theory and practical implementation. For tech leads and architects, it is a comprehensive guide to understand the full scope of agent technology before integrating it into their products. Getting started seems straightforward. Clone the repository and read. However, running the 103 experiments requires setting up a Python environment, managing API keys, and some command line familiarity. Community sentiment is overwhelmingly positive. It is frequently hailed as the most systematic open-source textbook on AI agents available today. The main concerns raised are not criticisms of the content, but practical hurdles. These include the need for some programming background to run the experiments and the potential cost of using commercial LLM APIs for extensive testing. But despite its strengths, the project faces significant challenges. Its reliance on over 100 experiments and dozens of pinned external repositories creates an immense maintenance burden. As APIs and libraries evolve, keeping all components functional will be a constant battle. This pinning strategy, while ensuring reproducibility today, also risks accumulating technical debt and security vulnerabilities from outdated dependencies. Furthermore, the community-driven translations will inevitably lag behind the rapidly evolving primary Chinese version creating information gaps for non-Chinese speakers. iAgent Book is more than just a resource on AI agents. It is a blueprint for modern technical education. By seamlessly blending a comprehensive textbook with a fully reproducible hands-on lab, it sets a new standard for how complex engineering topics can be taught effectively.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.